Hey there, so we are out here with the P1B, and I've done a little bit of trimming with this as far as basically all I've done really is I've added a little bit of left rudder and kept sliding the wing back until it stopped stalling. And so let me show you just what the glide's looking like. Real nice and slow, and right into the wood pile. So what we're going to do is wind it up, and the way that I have found to wind it up is I slide it forward with my fingers here, and then I can get this to kind of rub on my hands here. Normally I would not show hand winding on a video, but due to the nature of this airplane I think it's important to show just how little effort is required here. I actually was flying this earlier today and stopped because I almost lost it several times in thermals. Fortunately, I still didn't have the trim quite perfect, so it finally stalled out of them. Although that last one, it kind of drifted towards the edge of it, and I was very thankful for that because it was not stalling that time. And so we're going to just keep hand winding this here. Make sure we, as the torque builds up, you can get this propeller to stay a little further forward on here. And you do want to make sure that it does that. You also want to make sure that the little key over here seats correctly. So, pull both blades out, toss it up there, a little bit of a stall. And there's that beautiful glide. Still got to tweak that a little bit. I probably bumped something out of alignment. Oh. Alright, so I did add a little bit of down elevator. I wanted to show you we are using the stock rubber that was supplied. And I've just hand wound this again. Cranking a few bonus turns here. Alright, and let's see here. See how that's going to go. Needs a little tweak to the trim yet, but not bad. Don't land on the shed, please. It's going to land on the shed. Or hit the shed. That works too. So I added a little bit of lead to the nose, and that should tighten things up. Now what we have not talked about is the fact that this airplane, sitting right here, I'm not holding the propeller, it's fully wound. That's one of the other little hat tricks you can do with a Montreal stop, is you just let that prop back into its little lock. And it sits there like that. Now, I pull it forward, maybe. There we go. I'm going to have to do a one-handed launch because Hope is busy. Sorry guys for cavorting you around. Here we go. Sorry, it's not wound up very good, but it'll have to do. And there goes our flawless glide. 56 seconds. And like I said, not wound up very much. Alright, here it goes.
Beep! I hate it. Beep. Beep. Hey. Hey, get that. This one. Hey, that one. This. Hey, that one. This. You have that. This.
So, what do I think in conclusion of the P1B Sky Voyager Model B? I gotta say, I have never worked with an airplane like this ever before in my life. I'm very pleased. Guys, this is like model of the year material. This has it checks all of the boxes. It's state of the art, it's easy to use, flies great, durable, easy to put together, easy. Yeah, guys, this is what the ultimate beginner's airplane looks like right here. This is it. I cannot think of anything that comes even close. Nothing that comes even close. So, check it out. P1B1 Sky Voyager Model B. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.